All right, guys, I got another recipe for you, and this one's gonna be fruit salad. So if you have this stuff, go ahead and get it out. I got some dried fruit right here. I have pineapples and raisins. I have jet puff marshmallows. I'm using the thick kind this time because the last ones I didn't like, so I'm using the jet puff ones. I got the coconut sweetened condensed milk. This one says it's dairy free or whatever, but I got it because it's coconut and it tastes like coconut. So I also have mandarin oranges to add into this fruit cocktail, sweetened coconut flakes, and honey roasted pecans. And I have this whipped topping right here, and I'm gonna use this whole entire tub. All right, in goes the fruit cocktail. Next, I'm gonna drain a can of mandarin oranges. In goes the mandarin oranges. And so, like I said, I have these dried fruits. I have some pineapples and I have some raisins. So just add those. Give them a quick stir. Mix everything in. Give everything a quick stir. Now, next, what I have is some sweetened condensed milk. And like I said, this is coconut sweetened condensed milk. It's not just regular kind. And you want to put this in on top of the fruit. This Mexican vanilla. And I'm just going to put a dash in there just to get some flavor in there. Got this sweetened coconut flakes. And so I'm going to use the whole bag. Give that a mix that real good in there. 1/2. All right, so the next thing I'm going to add is the marshmallows. All right, guys, so I'm just going to try to break this up. Get it all mixed up. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and pour myself some. This is so good.